bienvenidos a Lunes de Hacedores. Me llamo Vicky y soy la bibliotecaria de la Biblioteca Dabo. Soy de los Estados Unidos y mi familia es de Puerto Rico. Soy un inmigrante de Australia y me gusta mucho. Esta es la semana de armonía y es un tiempo para celebrar todas las culturas y amistad. Hoy vamos a hacer pulseras de amistad para todos los amigos. Hello, welcome to Maker Monday. My name is Vicky and I'm a librarian at Dabo Library. I'm from the United States and my family is from Puerto Rico. I'm an immigrant to Australia and I like it a lot. It's Harmony Week and it's a time to celebrate all cultures and friendship. This week we're going to make friendship bracelets for all of our friends. So to make your friendship bracelet, you'll need some embroidery floss in different colors. You'll need a pair of scissors and you'll need a little piece of sticky tape. So first off, cut 4 pieces of embroidery floss that are pretty long because you're going to tie lots and lots of little knots and you want to have enough string for all of them. It's better to have too much thread than not enough. Just make sure that your 4 pieces of thread are the same length. So now that you've got your 4 pieces of thread, decide what order that you want to put them in. I probably want the 2 yellow ones separated. So I'll put the brown one first, that sort of tan one, the orange one, and then the yellow one. And I'll tie a little knot at the top. Tie the orange one down, it's too high. So pinch it together, loop it around your finger, tuck it under, and then pull it tight. So that's our top knot, and that'll be the end of our friendship bracelet. Then you'll take the knot and you'll tape it to the table so that it stays in place and that you've got good tension there. You could also safety pin it to like the side of your couch and sit on the floor, or you could safety pin it to the knee of your jeans and tie all the little knots that way. So once you've got your threads pulled out, try to remember what order you want them to be in. So I'm going to go brown, yellow, orange, light brown. Take your first string, cross it across your second string, tuck it under, and pull it all the way up to the top. And then do it again. So you want 2 little knots there. Then move on to the 3rd string and you'll do the same thing. Cross it over, tuck it under, pull it up, and pull it tight. And do it once more. Cross it over, tuck it under, pull it up, and pull it tight. And then you'll do the same again with the final string. Cross it over, tuck it under, pull it up, pull it tight, and then do it again. And when you pull it tight, you don't want to do it too tight because that'll make your bracelet kind of wonky and bent up. So now, I don't know if you can see, you've got a little row of brown knots there. And now you do the same again with the next thread. So you take your yellow thread, cross it over, tuck it under, pull it up, and pull it tight. Cross it over, tuck it under, pull it up, and pull it tight. You'll do the same until you've got a row of yellow knots. Cross it over, tuck it under, pull it tight, cross it over, tuck it under, pull it up, and pull it tight. And do the same again with the last string. So if you can see here, now you've got a row of orange knots and you've got a little row of yellow knots. And we'll do the same again with our orange thread. Making friendship bracelets is a really common activity in the United States. You will often have kids with like 10 or 20 friendship bracelets from all of their friends going up and down their arm. And it's a really common gift to give your friends for their birthday or for Valentine's Day, or just because you appreciate them. And if you get well practiced at it, you can really fly through and make one really, really fast. I'm slowing it down a little bit to show you what I'm doing. So we've got row of brown, row of yellow, row of orange. Then we'll do our next row, which is the light brown. So there, if you see, you've got nice little diagonal stripes. You've got brown, yellow, orange, light brown. And you just keep doing that and keep tying knots across your 4 strings until you get to a length that you like, and then you would tie it around your wrist or your friend's wrist. Thanks for joining us for Maker Monday this week. I hope that you had fun making a friendship bracelet and have lots of friends to give them to. If you speak a language other than English and you would like to get picture books or regular books or nonfiction books from our library, you can. We have books in up to 30 other languages that you can get brought in for you for free and you can borrow. We've got a lovely selection of picture books in other languages here for you to look at. If you're interested, please come in and speak to the staff and we will bring in some boxes for you. Thanks. Bye.